So when you delete out some items, they stay on the deleted items folder. And what happens is that when you sign out, you can actually automatically clear out those deleted items folder as well by changing around the setting. So to do that, you need to go around onto view and then go around onto view settings. And then what happens is that under the mail section in message handling, the first option is when signing out, you can delete my deleted items folder right here. So whenever you actually go around and then let's say for example sign out, it'll simply go around and delete out the deleted items folder. So whatever you delete right here, so let's say for example you go around and delete this out, so they do go on to the deleted items folder right here. So now over here you can see the deleted items, and once you sign out they will be deleted altogether if you were to go around and turn that settings. But if you want them to stay with for 30 days right here, then you can go around onto view settings and then on to the mail handling section and simply disable this out right here, and they won't be deleted even when you sign out. They will still be there and they will be deleted only after 30 days of being in the deleted items folder. And that is how you can go around and then change around the settings for emptying deleted item folders inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.